With the help of Punjabi Culture Center and Punjabi Radio USA, we do an annual art exhibition and art camp for the kids. So this is happening this year in 2026 from August 3rd to August 7th at 2125 North Barton Avenue, Fresno. That's the location of Punjabi Radio USA studio and Punjabi Culture Center.
And then, what can you tell me a little bit about who is helping you run the program here?
So we have a Canada-based artist, Param Singh. He has been working on Sikh art and Punjabi art, specifically the 18th century history of Sikhs and Punjab. So very few artists have been working on that scene. We have a very rich heritage, culture, and history. And with the help of Param Singh, we've been trying to get that information, get that history out in the form of fine arts. So his exhibition, lot of his paintings, his hand-drawn paintings and his digital paintings are in display in this exhibition. And at the same time, he's running 2 classes of art camp, one in the morning between 10 and 12, then in between 3 and 5, from the ages of 5 to ages of 12 for the kids. As you know, summers, kids are off from school. They have a lot of time on their hand, and parents want to see what extracurricular activities they can do. And getting into art, getting creative, that's the freest form of expression these kids can do. And Param Singh is helping us connect that.
And it's Sync, right? The
Singh.
Sync, yeah. What can you tell me about Sync art and why it's so unique?
Sikh art.
Sikh art. Okay.
Yeah.
What can you tell me about it?
So, Sikh religion is one of the newest religions, although it's 500 years old. But there has been we've been warriors mostly. We were at a place in geographically we were at that place. A lot of invasions happened, and Sikhs have been the warriors of that region. So we have to face a lot of invasions. So our history is rich in that way, how we defended our homeland, how we defended our culture, how we defended our history. So that history has never been told. It's been told through books, but this fine arts, in the art of paintings, in the art of digital paintings, it has been lacking. So Sikh history has been brought alive by Param Singh. So those were like really important points in history, irrespective to Sikh history. So he's been trying to display that teaches a lot of our younger generation what has happened to us and what we were. A lot of Sikhs want to live in that era of 18th century Sikhs. So we've been trying to build that character through this. That's what he's been trying to achieve.